Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. It's been a busy week as usual here at the shop. We are reassembling an 85 C10 frame. We are working on the subframe for Rick's 72 Camaro. We are buttoning up some wiring and some final assembly on an 84 step-side C10 so that we can get that one into paint and get that one back to the customer. And we did a 411 computer swap on a super clean 96 Impala. I'll do a walk around video of that car. Definitely want to see that one. It's really nice. Not our normal thing that we do, but hey, what do we do that's normal? But most importantly, we got my race car back into the shop. LS Fest West put the bug in Jessie's ear, and I knew it would, and I'm so excited because we're hoping to have my car done for LS Fest East in Bowling Green, Kentucky, which is the first weekend, I think the second weekend maybe in September 10th through 12th. So definitely some big things coming with that. Typical Jessie fashion, he can't just do things simple. So definitely stay tuned so that you can see what's going on with that. And here we go. Matt's been working on getting C10 frame all put back together. We got it back from powder coat and we're getting the rear end put underneath it. We got the motor and tranny set in and getting it all put back together so that we can get the body put back on. And then Rusty's been working on getting the frame put together, the subframe for Rick's 72 Camaro. Fun fact, Rick isn't only obsessed with C10s, he's also obsessed with Camaros. So we're doing kind of a pro touring build. He wants it to be a lot like Jessie's Trans Am. So like I said, this 96 Impala is just super clean. It's really dirty right now, so by clean I mean like it's really straight and it's a really nice car. But customer bought a brand new crate LT engine, and like I said, the 411 computer upgrade and the wiring and all the stuff that goes with that. So it's actually a pretty cool car. He was trying to keep it as original as possible, so that's why he went with the LT engine instead of an LS. But really cool car, not my flavor, but definitely clean. So last night Jessie stayed late to work on the Transmero, and I got a text message that said, "It looks like I'm going to have to do some cutting." I said, "Well, I trust you. You know what you're doing." I got into the shop today, and this is what Jessie meant by cutting. He completely cut the cage and the floor out of the car. I'll let him explain what he's doing because he knows better than I do.
Are we live?
No. Never.
Never live?
Never.
Oh. Well, I always feel alive. Well, ever since I've ever owned this car, I wanted it to be a tube chassis car. And over the last couple days, I'm making that happen. I got this wild hair at my ass. Instead of adding a bunch of tubes and laying on a sharp, shitty floor to weld them in, I'm just going to cut everything out and start over and build 90% of it on a table. So, thought crossed my mind. Who needs sleep, right? I got 120 some days. I got to fabricate the car. I got to do the bodywork on the car. Got to paint the car. Got to wire the car. Got to set up the turbo kit. Got to set up the chassis. And we got to test this thing.
Yeah, and I have to learn how to drive.
And Stacie has to learn how to drive it. That's a tall order. Even for us, that's a tall order. Like, I built this car before in about 3 months, but it wasn't nearly the car it's going to be now. And I had all the parts. I just had to do all the fabrication and wiring. And we still got to buy parts. And hopefully we can get them, because the China virus has everything backed up right now, and no one wants to work, and they don't want to open up the factories and stuff. So, yeah, good luck to us.
You'll do it.
I'm going to give it my all. I mean, I'm not scared to work 18-hour days for the next 120 days, if that's what it takes. But I may be really, really tired going to Kentucky, so.
So it'll be a repeat of Vegas.
Yeah, that's basically what I'm living for at this point. Is just going from LS Fest show to LS Fest show.
Well, at least between the East show and next year's West show, you have a lot of time.
Yeah, I'll probably
you could build like 3 cars.
No. All right, get that thing on my face.
So that's it for this week. Make sure you tune into our YouTube channel and our Facebook page every Sunday at 8:30 for updated videos. And thanks for watching.
That's the only thing he's ever drove of mine that he hasn't totaled out yet.